Hello friends, I welcome you for the seminar. Hi friends, the webinar series is on this exploring the career path with all dimension of life. So there are the two parts for this webinar series. One is the self-reliance in career. Uh, for this, there are the two video sessions. One is from Dr. Sunil Biru from the VJTI, and he was the former advisor for the AICT also. And the second video session is from Dr. Ravandale sir. He is the dean at PCCUE and the president for the TPO organization. Uh, the target audience here we have kept that the students or the professionals those who wants to explore their careers. Uh, they want some careers to earn some money and some income. But along with that one, we are having the second part where we are having the broader views. So exploring the dimension of the life beyond the career and the academics. So the first is after the academics, what we should do, and the second is uh, to explore ourselves beyond the career and academics. So this there are the three different parts with the second part too. What I mean to say that there are the three different sessions for the part two recorded by Sri Ram. Uh, the again the same audience, but the aim is to understand life better. Okay, so what you need to do. So there are the five different videos are there. These are the five different sessions, approximately with the 30 minutes, and this is what the introductory clip. What you'd like to do, you need to watch these videos within these 2 days, means on today itself and tomorrow, so on 27th and the 28th. And after watching these videos, just go to the response link, and one response link and the feedback link has been provided to you. So please answer. There are approximately 18 to 20 question has been put up there. So please answer for that one. So if you go through these five different videos, so you'd answer for that questions which has been provided there, and just answering that questions, you can observe how many questions it would be the right and the wrong, and but we are not interested for that one. We are interested for the next level of these webinars. Those who want to understand life better, because we have to understand, we have to live in harmony at different levels, and we want to live in harmony accordingly. And so best wishes from my side. Okay, so you can take this as an opportunity to explore yourself, to explore within, as well as to see what are the different areas where we can upgrade our skills. But not only that one, we need the knowledge. Based on that knowledge, then we can have the skill and we can explore within. So we can see this is the opportunity to explore within, and then to see what exactly the knowledge, how exactly that knowledge. Okay. So thank you from my sides. Okay. Good luck.